So as you may be able to hear, and if you saw the last video, we're just get away from it. I gotta leave it run. I had to jump it right now. I promised you in the last video I'd give you an update or whatever on the status of the old spun crank gear. So the situation is rough. So in order to make 1,000 horsepower, it costs more money than I thought it was going to cost in terms of parts and labor. You know, I don't know that I can't do that kind of stuff. I don't have the resources, you know, a lift and stuff to pull the motor, but I just don't have the expertise. You know, I'm just a backyard bullshit mechanic. You know what I mean? So that number is $30,000. So yeah, I'm just not really, you know, I don't have just a spare 30 grand laying around, you know what I mean? Stuff here and there, you know, a couple grand here or there for shit to do, you know, but I didn't think it was going to be 30 grand. So that's it, I guess. You know, like, I don't know, unless, hey, if you guys have any suggestions on where I can find 30 grand, just an extra 30 grand laying around, let me know. I'm all ears, you know? So yeah, that's it for this truck, I guess. I don't know. I guess just fix it regularly, even to fix it regularly, put the new crank in, and with the, you know, gear that works, that's timed. I mean, that's probably $5 grand or so. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I have never seen a helicopter around these parts before. Never once. Yeah, so unless someone dies and gives me 30 grand or something, I don't know what the fuck. But that's it. Just so you guys know too, I had the traction bars ordered. I got the new wheels and tires on, and it sits, well, in the back it sits like 3.5 inches lower. You can see the track bars really nicely right there, or this side one at least. Yeah, and just sits stock ride height in the front now. I think it turned out, I think it looks pretty good. It's not, I was hoping that the tires would fill out, the wheels and tires would fill out the wheel wells a little more, but I don't know, whatever, it's fine. I think the track bars look pretty cool. I've always wanted track bars, but I don't know that I really need them for only 750 horse, you know what I mean? I don't know how much axle wrap goes into that, but yeah, like I said, that's the end of it, because I just, you know, I don't want to, I got other shit to, you know, family to support and a house to pay for and shit, you know. I'm not gonna, yeah, 30 grand's too much for me. So I guess I'll just fix it regular, and that's it. Like I said, I don't know what else to even do with this now, because that was always the goal. And yeah, now it's not anymore, I guess, because it's too much. But yeah, thanks for watching thus far, I guess. Maybe I'll figure out a hobby that doesn't cost any money, and then maybe I'll see you guys there, or I don't know, you know? Who knows? I know I don't know, so that's someone who doesn't know, but goodbye.